We've got official news on the Nothing Phone 2, and it seems Nothing decided to change nothing, as based on the CAD leaks and renders shared by Onleaks, the Nothing Phone 2 looks pretty much like the Nothing Phone 1. I guess Nothing is really living up to their name.
Nothing?
But the conclusion is just based on first glance, as a closer look reveals some small subtle changes. First off is the frame of the device. The Nothing Phone 2 is going in for a much more curved frame and a screen that is ever so slightly curved. Yeah, that 2.5D curved edge is reminiscent of the iPhone X, which I'm definitely a fan of, as it's going to make the phone quite comfortable to hold in the palm instead of the frame they went with last year, definitely ripped up from the iPhone from the last year. Another small change that is especially easy to miss is the glyph interface, which looks a little different around the camera and the wireless charging coil, the same part they teased in the announcement a month ago. Surprisingly, the phone still features two cameras just like the Phone 1, which is surprising to see, as we did think Nothing would at least add one last camera to their setup. There's also an improvement on the flash, as we've got a split LED flash now. At this point, we do not have any details on the camera specs, but there is going to be a much needed upgrade, that's for sure. What we do know of is the possibility of the camera to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second and shoot HDR RAW, as tweeted by Nothing CEO Kalpei. So this is all we've got for now: a 6.7-inch 1080p OLED display, 4700 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 running everything under the hood. I think the Nothing Phone 2 is going to be a great device based on its price category. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I think Kalpei never got that memo. Most people do like the flat look of the first one. Personally, I do love the rounded, curved look of the Phone 2. What do you think about the Nothing Phone 2? Let me know of your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back when I find something new.